Hi guys, welcome to Zero to Hero Web Design course. My name is Femi Oye. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Femi Oye. I am a graduate of biochemistry from Obafemi Awolowo University. I graduated in the year 2009, and since 2009 till now, I've never used my biochemistry certificate to work. That's always been from IT to IT and all that. IT has been the one paying the bills. So later in my journey in IT, I stumbled upon WordPress and I started learning. Just like you bought this course, I bought courses also. I bought courses of 20,000, courses of 2,000, courses of 1,000. Some of them, they don't live up to the expectations, and some of them they do. So I am a person that have this quest for learning, and as you have also bought this course, I believe you have that same passion that I have. So I want to congratulate you if you have bought this course. If you are hearing my voice at the moment, I want to congratulate you because you have made a very wonderful decision that you will never regret. At the end of this course, you will be able to build some projects that you even yourself will not have thought you can do this in the next 1 year or 2 years. And that is what WordPress does for you. WordPress is something that makes your work faster. It makes you move a bit faster. That is it. It makes you move a bit faster. WordPress is more or less like a template. The foundation has been laid already. All you need to do is build on the foundation. Do you understand? You are not coding. There is no form of coding in this. If you want to learn how to code, then WordPress is not for you. Do you understand? WordPress is not for you. But if you don't want to code and you want to achieve the same thing that people that are coding achieve, then you will go for WordPress. Then there are other limitations of WordPress. Like I should let you know is that, for example, if you are not seeing the ambition of becoming a software developer or a iOS developer, all those stuff, then you will need to get into coding. But you can start with WordPress. WordPress is a very powerful tool. It powers about 40% of all the websites in the whole world, and that is that. So I don't want to talk too much. I want to congratulate you once again for signing on for this course. In this short video, I will just take you through the modules that we were going to be seeing as you go through this course. So I want us to move fast as we look at the topics, the outlines, and the modules. So the first thing that we are going to be talking about in this course, which is going to be the first video, is basics of web design. In the basics of web design, we are going to be discussing the basic terms that you will meet as we go in this course. Basic terms you will hear even when you are reading online. Basic terms you will see. You will need to be familiar with those terms: domain name, hosting, SSL, World Wide Web. Do you understand stuff like that? TSL. We'll see more of that. You understand? I think I talk about World Wide Web, which is www. Then we'll talk about SSL, which is secure socket layer. It means a kind of security for your website. I'm sure you've seen such before, where you visit a website and you see not secured and a red flag. That's the work of the security. That means that website is not secure. So we'll talk about all those things when we start. That's going to be the first video, and the second video will be domain and hosting registration. Domain and hosting registration. So we'll take you through the process of registering a domain and also registering the hosting. Domain is your website address. just like your house address. People that want to visit your website, they need to type an address inside the web browser so that it can take them to your website. And so that thing that brings your website up when people type in the browser is the hosting. So we'll talk about that more when we get there. The third video, still under domain and hosting, I'll also teach you how to create domain and hosting for free. Yes, some people might not be able to raise money to register a valid domain and hosting at this moment. So there are other ways you can do domain and hosting free on some websites, though they are not totally good. There are limitations. There are times you will install stores on it and it will reject it. So those are the limitations that you might face. But know that if you are going for a very professional job, you want to go into this fully, you need to register your domain and hosting. And I will be using Namecheap to teach you how to do this. There are other ones which you can also use. So the next video will be creation of webmail, email forwarders, and autoresponder. Webmail, email forwarders, and autoresponder. What is webmail? Webmail is just like the official email for staffs. For example, you've heard of something like maybe yinka@gtbank.com. You've heard of something like info@gtbank.com. Those are webmails. So it takes nothing, maybe like 30 seconds to create such. And you see like something that is so difficult. No, it's not. It doesn't take you 30 seconds to create webmail. So I will show you how to do that. Email forwarder. The essence of email forwarder is that you have a particular mail that you check all the time, and you have, for example, your web mail, that official mail. You might not be able to check it on your phone all the time. Most times it has to be on your laptop. So you can forward every mail coming to your web mail into your personal Gmail. Your Gmail is handy. You can always check it on your phone. Even when you receive messages, you get notifications and all that. So you can forward every mail coming to your web mail into your Gmail, and that is just email forwarder, forwarding your mails from one mail to the other. So the third one is autoresponder. I'm sure you've sent a mail before and immediately you receive a response. Something like your message has been received, we'll get back to you and all that. That is autoresponder. It has been set there. Let 1,000 people send a message to that same email address, the same message will come back to them. So it has been set there as autoresponder. It has been there. So it responds immediately to people. So it's not as if somebody is at the other hand responding immediately. No, it's the system that is doing the job. So we will teach you how to do that. Then the first project will be how to create a sales page. A sales page is you want to sell a product. You created an ad on Facebook. When people click on that ad, it takes them to a page called a landing page where people will see more about that product. So that is a sales page, and they will be able to take action that you want them to take. Maybe buy now, fill in this form, stuff like that. So that's a sales page. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. Then we'll be able to teach you how to create a blog or a news website. Blog and a news website, they're almost the same thing. So we'll teach you how to do that. You'll be able to create a blog. Then you'll be able to create a company website, a standard company website. Then also how to create an e-commerce website. Those are the projects that we are going to be doing. So you are in for a great time, as I said. Let's move on. Then there are bonus modules that we are going to give you even after this whole project. We'll teach you how to back up your WordPress website. You might need, for example, you want to explore, you want to do some tweaking in your design, and you were thinking maybe that thing might cause a problem. So you can back up your website first before doing the tweaking that you want to do. So in case there is any disruption, you can restore your website back. So that is that. Then we can teach you, we would also teach you, sorry, let me go back. We also teach you how to reset your WordPress website back to default. Probably you are using that same domain to teach, and you have finished a particular project, you want to use that same domain for another project, you can reset it back to default so that you can start using it all over again. So we'll teach you how to do that. Then we'll teach you how to add a live chat feature to any WordPress website. You know, live chat, maybe you visit a website and they say chat with us, so you can set that for any website. We'll teach you how to do that. And we'll teach you how to optimize your web pages for search engines. You know, in order for your website to be search engine optimized, so we'll teach you how to do that. And the plugin we are going to be using is Yoast SEO. So you are in for a good time. Even after your major modules, these bonus modules worth more than even what you have paid for this course. So just follow us in this course and you will be glad that you did. Then finally, we'll do these assignments. We'll send it to you as time goes on. After a particular project, we'll send you the assignment that you will do for that particular project. So these are the list of the assignments. You can make sure go through them and have them at the back of your mind. Then finally, like I said, this is going to be the first video of this course, so please look forward to this, as I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.